Okay, so it's on Rua Direita Carlos Euge, and I'm just kind of checking out this typhoon, and there was no rain at all, and I was just got about halfway down the street, and I was going to go get an umbrella just in case, but now it's a torrential downpour, so we'll see. Man, that was going to be where I was going to go. So anyways, I'll tell you more about it in a second.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, we got a typhoon category 8. It's kind of on the other side. It's quite a far. Man, it's really making that camera wet. We're actually quite a far away from the heart of the typhoon, so I thought I'd come out and film, but I didn't have an umbrella, and there's actually no rain at all. And now we have the torrential rains and the winds coming as well. Dang it, stuck. And now I can see the winds coming over there. You can see those trees in the distance. Kind of at the tail end, so I thought it was going to be called as a category 1 any minute, but maybe not. Okay, I'm thinking about trying to see how far I can get. I don't think I can get very far though. There are people walking with the umbrellas, but I don't have an umbrella, so I could get pretty wet. At least there's no winds. In another area I saw a lot of taxis. I don't see them in this area, but I'm not looking for one anyways. Okay, we're gonna take it. Oh man, I'm getting really wet. Oh well. That's better. That's got really wet. A little bit of flooding right there. I don't know, let's see if we can get any further. Should have got an umbrella. Dang it. Oh well. We'll do our best. Yeah, all the places are closed right now. It's like this guy has a camera. Oh, an umbrella. Yeah, he's gonna wait it out. And I'm gonna get in there too. Dang it. Here we go. Okay. Okay, let's see. So we were kind of in this type of village area, and you basically just walk down that street. That place is open. I wonder if they have an umbrella. They might. But we're gonna conclude in this area. I'm probably gonna get in that type of village and just kind of look around a little bit. So yeah, we basically just came down that street. So I don't know, maybe I'll just label that street accordingly. There are people walking around. I do see taxis. I heard that taxis charge about $100 to $150 to take somebody. I think it's $150 to go across the bridge. $1,500 across the bridge, which is about $200 American dollars, and $700 mop, which is about $90 American dollars to just jump in a taxi and go somewhere, because they don't get insurance if they're driving around in a category 8, so that's the risk that they take. Okay. Looks like our rain is going to slow down a little bit. I might try to get an umbrella. A lot of people are caught up in this area. I don't know if they're filming. They're going to film. So anyways, we're going to try to walk a little bit further. So we're just going to go into the rain. This would be a lot better if I had an umbrella. Okay, there's Rua Direita Carlos Euge. So they moved in all the pedestrian stuff. I guess there's not much wind in here, so they moved it down here. That's kind of smart. So yeah, this is a Rua Direita Carlos Euge. And I guess what we'll do, okay, it's looking for like rain kind of stuff. I don't see any rain stuff. I guess the flooding isn't really in this area, so they're fine. Okay. So that's Rua Direita Carlos Euge, and then we just came off of that street right there. This is kind of like Okay. So I guess we'll end it there. So we're in Taipa village, we're at Rua Direita Carlos Euge. We're in a category 8 typhoon storm right now. There's people walking around with umbrellas, taxis going by looking for high fares because they don't get, their insurance doesn't apply if they get an accident during a typhoon. And we're gonna walk around Taipa village a little bit and just kind of see what it looks like in a typhoon, and tell you all about it in a minute.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.